Good morning. Here's another super secret haul. It's actually kind of in the same spirit as the previous one, so I mean, you will see what I mean. Actually, there was supposed to be another parcel coming with this batch. It's pretty annoying, but it got delayed, so I either have to do a third video or maybe edit it at the end of this one. We will see. Anyway, let's get started. I'm pretty excited about this one. Let's start with the small ones. Again, I might edit the video just to make sure that we don't show any labels with names. So this one is, oh man, okay. So I'm not too happy about that. If you're going to ship Lego, you should put the Lego, the parts, in a zip bag. See, they were loose in the envelope, and that's how you lose parts basically. So, but anyway, so this is set 7976, an Atlantis one. It's the Ocean Speeder. As I said before, I'm trying to collect all the Atlantis sets, so this is just another one of them. A small one, but still quite nice. I'll probably do a video on all of them later. Now let's go to the second one. Up. So as I said in the previous video, this is kind of an Atlantis theme batch, because I'm trying to collect every one of them. But as you've seen, it's not just Atlantis. Okay, so label removed, and here we are. It's a polybag 30453, Captain Marvel and Nick Fury. So just like in the other one, it's a Marvel polybag. So it's really in the same spirit, isn't it? This polybag, I really like the minifigs, which is why I got it. Anyway, let's continue with the next one. Okay, now we start with the big ones, and it's getting exciting. So exciting. Let's see. How do I open this one? Okay, can't wait. Oh. Let me see. Obviously, I know generally which. What I've ordered, right? But I don't know which box contain what. Let's see. Up. So, okay, label removed. Now that's what I'm talking about. Zip bag. That's the proper way to do it. Alright. So, again, more Atlantis. This is awesome. Look at that. It's set 8076. Let me check the name quickly. The Deep Sea Striker, yes. Another cool one, a monster based. And the other one is, this one I really love. 7978, the Angler Attack. It's a break built angler. It looks super great. All right, let's get them out of the zip bag. Look at this. The minifigs are just awesome in that theme. Just awesome. And if you have a look at the torso, the mouth is printed on the torso, so you can kind of see it. No, you cannot, but you know it's there. Okay, let me get the sets out of the bags. There we go. So, because these are second-hand sets, Lego, I don't know if they're complete. Probably not, usually not. So I'll have to check it afterwards. And if they're missing a few parts, then I might have to order them on the Brinklink. And once they're complete, I'm gonna make some reviews for you. Okay, next parcel. Alright. You know the drill now. We open it. Open. This one is quite tough. I'm kind of excited about the big box. I don't know if the small box contains a big one and the big box contains many ones, or which way it is. Let's open it up. I'm kind of shaking because these sets have been I wanted them for a long time, and finally I got my hands on them for a good deal. Okay, label removed. This one, man, this stuff is gonna be everywhere. Oh, then zip. Well, some of the stuff is in zip bag, so that's okay. But the set itself is not. It's gonna be a pain to clean. But anyway, so this one is a Galaxy Squad set, just like the previous one, the previous haul. So we got Atlantis, Marvel polybag, and some Galaxy Squad phone in the mix. I was really looking forward to just those three sets for Galaxy Squad. If I like them a lot, maybe I'll get more, but for now I'm satisfied with these ones. I've been looking at Lego catalogs a long time at these pages, and so yeah, being able to finally have them it's great. Okay, so this box is a mess. It's a mess. There's no other words. I'm gonna probably have to double check that I got everything out, and then we'll be able to switch to the next one. All right. Okay, let's get this stuff out, and we're going to open the big box now. So we need some room. We need a lot of room for this one. Let's push everything up. Gonna open it. Okay, so this is it. This is one of the most wanted sets on my list, on my wish list, and I finally got my hands on it. One of the reasons I'm collecting everything from Atlantis is because of this set. This set was so awesome. It got me into the theme. And then yeah, the more you look at the catalog pages, the more you want the stuff. So I guess that's how it works. Okay, let's check the labels again. Okay, so that's weird because this big box comes with a smaller box inside. Okay, let's see. Let's open it. I wonder if it's I believe that's because there are many sets in this order, so they might have splitted them like this. Oh yes, that's it. That's it. Okay, let me check quickly for the label. All right, so no labels, but it looks like I opened the box upside down. So that's the bottom, and look at this. Can you believe it? This is the legendary set 8078. It's the Gate of Atlantis. Let me double check the official name again. Portal of Atlantis. Okay, so this is so awesome. So this set I really wanted for a long time, but it's super expensive. Like even second hand. So I had to wait to find a good deal, one that would be way below the price of the market, and looking carefully at the pictures to make sure that everything comes inside, especially the minifigs. The minifigs are usually the most expensive. From the look of it, we got everything. Look at this guy. That's so awesome. So that's one of the two sharks that guard the portal. Okay, let me get this out. I guess I just move the box and just try to get the portal. Oh, everything is breaking. Okay. Up. Up. Okay. The portal is here. I got parts of it here with the keys. It's kind of broken down inside, so they probably should have parted it out. On the other hand, it's much easier at first glance to see if anything is missing here. So it looks complete, but I will have to double check thoroughly. The way I do it is I part everything out, and then I try to build it again. And if there are any missing parts, I just add them in a wanted list on Breaklink. And then when the budget allows it, then I order them. It looks like there's a broken part here, so a broken part is like a missing part to me. It has to be replaced, so that's not good. Can you see? It's the hinge that's broken. Yeah, it's pretty broken. So I'm gonna send a message to the seller. I'm gonna see what they're going to suggest, but yeah. Okay, so there's still stuff in the box. It's not going to be as exciting as this one. But let's check it. Anyway, let's check it out. Okay, got stuff in front of it. Let's get it out. Up. Alright. Okay. That's it. Let's open the bubble wrap. Okay, remember what I was saying about the same spirit as the other one. What we have here is a power miner set. Let me check quickly. It's 8957, the mine Mech. So again, yeah, we got one Marvel polybag, a couple of random power miner sets, and Galaxy Squad, but mostly Atlantis. That was what I was after, Atlantis. The power miner sets, I'm not too I'm not too impressed with, so I just wanted to check it out, see if it's for me or not, and we'll see if it grows on me. But look, there's another one of these guys, of this guy. There's two of them. That's why. So it was part of a lot. This seller was selling the Portal of Atlantis and a lot of quotes Atlantis sets, quotes, but there was a random power miner thrown in. The seller identified it as a Atlantis by mistake, I guess. If you look closely, you will see that they are quite dusty. If you're going to sell your Lego, you should clean them, dust them. I can do a video on how to clean them if you want. Just let me know in the comments. But yeah. And finally, we got set 8059 Seabed Scavenger. Oh, let me remove the wrapping. As well as this one is cool. This one is super cool. It's 8060 Typhoon Turbo Sub. Looks like it's not working as of yet. Like something is broken probably, but it's supposed to be going like this, and then it can transform into this position. I really like that. Anyway. Okay. That's it. That was the second haul, super secret haul. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please leave a like. If you want to see more content like this, click the subscribe button. And thanks for watching. Look at this. Portal of Atlantis. I'm gonna dust it, clean it, it's gonna be so great. Build it again. It's gonna be amazing. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.